Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English AF channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm Paul.
How are you today, Paul?
I'm great, thank you. I am very happy today.
Oh, why are you happy?
The sun is shining. I like sunny days. And you, Emily, how are you?
I am very good, thanks. I am also happy. I am excited.
Excited? Why?
Because of our topic today. It is a big topic.
Oh, a big topic. What is it? Today we talk about how to train your brain to speak in English.
Wow, that is a big topic. Train my brain.
Yes, train your brain, like exercise for your brain.
Exercise. Is it difficult?
No. It is not difficult. It is easy and it is fun.
Easy and fun. Okay, I am ready.
That's great. But wait, before we start,
Oh, yes. Before we start, everyone, we have a small request.
yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, the little thumbs up button. Click, click, click.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Channel F.
Subscribing is very important. It helps us make more episodes for you.
And share this episode with your family and your friends.
Yes, share with everyone.
Okay, I am ready. Train my brain.
Okay, Paul, let's start. So, when you speak English, what do you think?
What do I think? I think in my language.
Ah, yes, your first language.
Yes, I think a word in my language, then I translate in my head.
Yes, translate.
Then I speak the English word. I understand many students do this, but it is slow.
Yes, it is very slow.
My brain is wait, hard, work.
It is hard work. And our goal, our big happy goal, is to think in English.
Think in English. Wow,
Yes, no translate, just English.
that sounds fast.
It is. It is fast. It is natural.
Okay, I want this. How? How do we start?
We start small.
Small.
Very, very small.
Like one word.
One word is good, but a small sentence is better. A sentence. Oh, that sounds big.
No, very small. Look, I have a pen.
Yes, you have a pen.
In my head, I don't just think pen.
No, I think this is my pen.
This is my pen.
Or my pen is blue. Yes, exactly.
Good job, Paul.
Thank you. Okay, so small sentences in my head.
Yes, all day. It's easy. For example, in the morning, you wake up.
Okay, I wake up and stretch, ready to start the day.
Yes, Paul. And what do you think?
I am awake.
Yes, perfect. Or I am hungry.
And I want coffee. I go to the kitchen. I open the door.
Yes, this is it.
Really? Is this training my brain?
Yes, you are thinking in English sentences.
For instance, I brush my teeth. The water is cold. I see my face. I am very handsome. Okay, I like this tip.
It is tip number 1. Think in small sentences.
When I am at home, when I am on the bus.
Yes, on the bus, I see a window. I see a red car. A man is walking. It is a sunny day.
Wow, Paul, you are doing great.
I am. I am thinking in English. It feels good.
Yes, it feels different, but good.
You connect the English to your life, not to your language.
Ah, yes, English life, no translation.
Exactly. This is the big secret.
Okay, tip 1, small sentences.
I am talking to Emily. Paul is a good student.
Thank you. Okay, what is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is input.
Input. What is input?
Input is English English goes in my ears.
Yes, in your ears and in your eyes.
Listening.
Yes, listening.
Like this podcast.
Yes, Paul, good idea. Like this podcast.
We are good input.
We are great input.
When you listen to Easy English, A1,
Yes, your brain hears the patterns.
patterns.
Yes, the sentences. I am, you are, he has.
The rhythm, the music of English.
Yes, what a good word. The music.
So listening helps my brain think.
Yes, it gives your brain food, English food.
I like English food. So what do I listen to?
Well, Mr. English Channel, of course.
And simple songs, music. I like music.
Me too. Find simple English songs.
Songs you like. When you like the music, listening is fun.
It is not work.
Yes, fun is good. Learning must be fun.
Yes, or simple pop songs.
Some pop songs are very repetitive.
Repetitive.
The words again and again.
Yes, I love you.
Like a love song, baby.
See, you know it.
Okay, simple music. I like that. What else?
And watching.
Watching. Input for my eyes.
Yes, watching videos.
Movies are good, but sometimes they are very fast.
Yes, too fast.
The words are fish, 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 fish.
Fish, 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 fish. Yes, I understand.
I watch and I am lost.
So find things you like to watch.
What do you like, Paul?
I like cooking.
Perfect. Find simple cooking videos in English.
Oh, good idea. The person says, I see the tomato. I see the salt.
And I cut the tomato. I add salt.
Then you connect the word and the action.
Wow, that is a great tip, Emily.
I like sports too. I like football.
Okay, so find short videos, maybe news about football.
He kicks the ball. It is a goal.
Exactly, because you like cooking and you like football.
It is not boring. It is interesting.
It is attractive and my brain is happy.
Yes, a happy brain learns more.
Okay, input.
Listen to simple podcasts and music and watch simple videos about things you like.
Cooking, sports, maybe travel?
Yes, travel videos are great.
This is Paris. It is beautiful.
This is much better. Learning is fun now.
It is input. Listen and watch.
This feeds my brain.
Yes, it makes your brain strong in English.
Okay.
Tip 1, small sentences.
Tip 2, input. Listen and watch.
Are you ready for tip 3?
I am ready.
Tip 3 is output.
Output. Okay. Input is English in.
Output is English out.
Yes, Paul, that's great.
English out.
Like speaking.
But Emily, I am alone.
I have no one to talk to.
You have you. Speak to yourself.
Speak to myself.
Yes.
People will think I am crazy.
No, do it in your room. In the car?
In the shower.
In the shower. Okay.
It is a fantastic way to train.
But what do I say?
Look around your room.
Okay, my room.
Describe it. Speak out loud. Your ears need to hear your voice.
Okay, this is my room. I see a bed.
The bed is big.
I have a table.
The table is brown.
I see 2 chairs.
Great job, Paul. Keep going.
A lamp. The lamp is on.
Wow, Paul, this is amazing.
I have a computer.
My computer is black.
Wow, this feels strange but good.
How does your brain feel?
My brain is working. It is finding the words.
Yes, and you are not translating, right?
No, I see the bed. I say bed.
Yes, you connect the thing, the bed, and the word bed.
Yes, this is training.
This is how you build English in your brain.
And now I can do this.
Of course, Paul. And you can also talk about your day.
Yes, at night in bed.
Today I was happy.
I ate pasta for lunch.
I talked to Emily.
Emily is very smart.
Ah, Paul, thank you.
Paul is very kind.
See, we are talking.
Yes, this is output, speaking.
So I don't need a partner.
A partner is good, very good.
But you don't need a partner to start.
I can start alone.
I can start with me.
So tip 3, speak to yourself.
Describe your world.
Yes, what am I doing now?
I am sitting. I am cooking.
I cut the tomato.
The tomato is red.
I am happy.
This is perfect.
Wow, okay, this is a lot of good information.
Let's review.
Yes, review.
Tip 1.
Think in small sentences all day.
I am walking. I am reading.
Yes.
Tip 2. Input.
Listen and watch things I like.
Yes, easy English.
Podcasts like Mr. English Channel.
Simple songs and simple videos.
Videos about cooking or sports.
Yes.
And tip 3, output.
Speak.
Speak to myself.
Describe your room.
Describe your day.
Like, I am speaking English.
Yes, you are.
Emily, this is great.
But is it fast?
Do I learn fast?
Will my brain change tomorrow?
No, Paul.
No, it is slow.
Learning a language is slow.
But that is okay.
Be patient.
Oh, okay.
I will be patient.
Yes, be kind to your brain.
Hello, brain. I am kind.
Yes,
Do it every day.
10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Not 2 hours.
If you have 2 hours to study, that's fine.
But we know that most people don't have much time.
So studying at least 10 or 15 minutes every day is very good.
Ah, okay.
Small steps.
Small steps every day.
And what if I make a mistake?
Oh, good question.
I say, I is happy.
Oh, no, I am happy.
Mistakes are good.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes mean you are learning,
When you make a mistake, you say, oh, okay.
and you try again.
Oh, okay.
I will be brave
Don't be afraid to be wrong.
and have fun.
Have fun.
Yes.
And it must be fun.
If it is not fun, I will stop.
I like watching cooking videos.
That is fun.
And I like talking to you, Paul.
That is fun.
Me too, Emily.
Wow, my brain feels bigger.
Your English brain is growing. That was a great episode, Emily.
Thank you, Paul.
You had great examples.
Thank you.
I hope this helps everyone.
Me too.
And if it helps you, everyone listening,
Yes.
please,
We have one more request.
yes, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
Yes, subscribe for more easy, fun episodes.
And share this episode.
If you have a friend learning English, send it.
Share the fun.
And we have a question for you.
Ooh, homework.
Yes.
Please leave a comment below.
What is the question, Emily?
Tell us, what do you do to train your brain?
Ooh, good question.
Yes.
Do you listen to music?
Do you speak to yourself?
Do you watch cooking videos?
Yes.
Write your tips in the comments.
We want to read them.
Yes, we do.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
It was so fun.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.